Welcome back to OFR. In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you on how to assemble the IDANAS bed frame from IKEA. The tools you need for this build are a Phillips screwdriver, a hammer, and the Allen key that IKEA provides you with. You may also need another person to help you with some steps. Now, as there are two ways to assemble this bed, in this tutorial, I'll be showing you on how to build it for mattresses that are less than 9.5 inches. If you have a larger mattress, you'll have to adjust some things around. So for the first step, take this piece out of the headboard. Before you start putting things together, make sure that these side pieces have the screws in this orientation. They should come out of the box with the screws on the outside as shown. Do the same for the backing and the front piece as well. They should have the screws located like this. Again, this is for mattresses that are under 9.5 inches. So to start, put the side pieces of wood in this orientation and grab yourself two metal supports. Then simply hook the metal supports into place like this. Now grab these sets of 6 plastic pins and place them into these 6 holes. It will look something like this. Now screw all 16 screws so the metal supports are secured to the wooden pieces. Then put that assembly aside and grab yourself the back and the front. Also get these two metal supports as well. Now simply slide them into place like this. Then grab 4 sets of these plastic pins and put them into these 4 holes. Again, it will look something like this. Now secure everything by screwing in 4 screws. Then grab 4 wooden legs and 4 felt pads. You'll be sticking the felt pads to the bottom of the legs. Now grab the back piece, 2 legs, and 2 plastic washers. The legs will be screwed into these 2 holes. Then grab the 2 wooden side pieces and go to the top and grab 4 dowels. Hammer them into these 4 holes. Now grab the back and the right side piece. The 2 dowels will be going into these 2 holes. You may need another person to help you out in this step. Next, grab the Allen key, a washer, a screw, a bottom bracket, and a corner bracket. Then put the 2 brackets in like this. Next, grab the screw and washer and secure everything. Now go to the left side and pretty much do the same thing. The dowels will go into these 2 holes. Again, grab the same items to secure the left corner. Put the brackets together like this. Secure everything with the washer and screw. Now for the front, it's going to be a bit different, so grab the front wooden panel and the rest of the brackets. You'll now be putting the bottom bracket and the corner bracket together for both corners of the bed frame. Now to secure everything, you'll be using the legs instead of a washer and a screw. Grab 2 wooden legs and 2 plastic washers. You'll be screwing the legs into the bottom hole. Do the same for the other corner. Then open up the back of the headboard and grab 8 plastic pieces that look like this. Put the plastic pieces in these 8 spots. Now you'll be sliding in the headboard like this. Make sure you push the headboard all the way down. Next, you need to grab 4 dowels and 2 of these L-shaped pieces. Hammer in the dowels into these 4 holes. Then go to the left side and attach the left L-shaped piece like this. Do the same thing to the right side. Next, grab the cover that goes around the frame and start with the front right corner. Then attach it to the left corner. Then attach the left end like this. Go to the right side and do the same. Now attach the bottom of the cover to the frame. Then, attach the top of the cover to the frame. You may need to adjust the cover to make everything look nice. Also, I forgot to attach the front of the headboard to the frame. Do this as well. After everything looks good, go to the left side and attach the back to the frame cover. Do the same thing for the right side. Then go to the back of the headboard and zip everything up. Also, make sure the bottom is attached as well. Now grab this wooden support and put it in like this. Then grab 2 big plastic hooks and 4 smaller sized ones. In the front, the bigger one will be put in like this, and the 2 smaller hooks will be put in as shown. Now go to the back and do the same. This time all the plastic hooks will be facing the headboard. Then you'll need to get the 2 slatted bed bases. Attach 1 slatted bed base like this. All you need to do is hook each end of the bed base. Then repeat this step for the other slatted bed base. You should now have a fully assembled IDANAS bed frame. Put your mattress on it to see if everything worked out. If you followed these steps, then you shouldn't have any problems. Hopefully this tutorial helped you out.